Rutha kwan bende wakwayo ni odiochieng' maber mar Valentine. Jodin kopere kawuono ohingo sap buru ma en odiochieng' mar chako tweyo. Nyasi ma kama timore higa ka higa ka en chakruok mar wuoth mochomo nyasi maduong' mar pasaka mabiro timore giko dwe manyien. E kinde mag tweyo, jodin kopere tweyo kit chiemo ma gihero kaachiel gi bedo gi alam mathoth mariwore gi Yesu Kristo e midhiero manokale wuoth mar kelo warruok. Jokristo iwiro negi buru e pat wang'gi kaka ranyisi mar yie kuom buru ne giwuokie kendo ema gibiro dokie. Kindeno bende giyie kwero richo kendo yie andika mag Injili. Wadhi achiel kachiel nyaka kanisa mar kopere ma St. Joseph's Milimani e kaunti ma Kisumu.
At that time, Jesus said to his disciples, "Beware of practicing your piety before men, in order to be seen by them. For then you will have no reward. For your Father who is in heaven. Thus, when you give alms, sound no trumpet before you, as the hypocrites do in the synagogues and in the streets, that they may be praised by men. Truly I say to you, they have their reward. But when you give alms, do not let your left hand know what your right hand is doing, so that your alms may be in secret. And your Father who is in secret will reward you. And when you pray, you must not be like hypocrites, for they love to stand and pray in the synagogues and the street corners, that they may be seen by men. Truly I say to you, they have their reward. But when you pray, go into your room, shut the door, and pray to your Father who is in secret. And your Father who sees in secret will reward you. And when you fast, do not look dismal, like the hypocrites, for they disfigure their faces, that their fasting may be seen by men. Truly I say to you, they have their reward. But when you fast, anoint your head, wash your face. Their fasting may not be seen by men, but by your Father who is in secret. And your Father who is in secret will reward you." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ. Beloved brothers and sisters, today we begin a very special liturgical season in our Catholic Church, and maybe also to the Christians who profess the same faith. Ash Wednesday. And this is the beginning of 40 days of Lent. From time immemorial, the Church celebrates this day to mark the beginning of the four elements of our Christian life and Christian living in journey to salvation.
Mga juang mano kanyo en St. Joseph's Milimani Kisumu kama nyasi